guys, my name is Arzu, founder of Azul Creative Mds. I'm an innovative creative, speaker, and mentor. In this video, I'm going to introduce two new features in Adobe Illustrator called Generative Shape Fill and Mockup Beta. These tools will accelerate your marketing skills on your online selling workflow. Generative Shape Fill will help you quickly illustrate a design for any product, while Mockup Beta will assist you in crafting the marketing materials for that product. Let's start by creating an illustration with Generative Shape Fill. First, we'll start by creating a basic shape or an outline of an idea. Then we'll group the separate objects. From the contextual taskbar, select Gen Shape Fill. If this bar doesn't appear on your screen, you can access this feature from the object menu at the top field. As a second option, you can reach to this feature with just right-click on the shape, or another option is the Quick Actions section of the Properties panel. When you find the prompt field, type a description of the field you are looking for. I imagine a cute cookie monster with candies and whipped cream. As you type, automatic suggestions will guide you to add more detail. Generative AI in Illustrator helped me to generate multiple versions of this cookie in the vector format. You should know that having a vector format of a design allows you to edit or print the product at a high quality. To enhance your creative process, adjust the shape, sprang, and detail options as needed. By moving the shape sprang slider, you can control how closely the field matches the shape's outline, set the tight for a perfect match, or loose for contours that resemble real-life objects without fully matching the outline. The detail slider adjusts the level of detail, the fill. Now that you know the secret, creating mesmerizing illustrations in seconds, now it's time to create a mockup. You don't need a second software for this. In Illustrator, you can create mockups for brand identity and apparel designs by placing artwork on images of real-life objects using either your own image or a free template. Okay, let's get started. Generally, I open the Mockup panel by right-clicking on the object. Alternatively, you can open it through a window and Mockup. The vector will be directly applied to the images in the Mockup panel. Choose one of the Mockup images and place it on the canvas. Follow the same steps if you want to use your own image instead of using a free template from the Mockup panel. Import a raw image that you want to use as a mockup. Bring in the vector you want to apply to the mockup image. Use the selection tool to select both the vector and the image. Then choose Create Mockup in the Mockup panel. The vector art will be applied to the image, creating the mockup. On the canvas, drag your vector to the desired location on the image. Illustrator will automatically adjust the art to fit the curves and edges of the object. To move or adjust the vector again, select the mockup image and choose Edit Content in the Properties panel or by right-clicking. To see how another design might look on your t-shirt, you can release your vector from this template. If everything looks good and you want to use this template later, save it for future use. Select the mockup and click Add as a template in the Mockup panel. You will find the Add a template under your mockups in the panel drop-down menu. You can add up to 20 mockup templates to your mockups. Congratulations! You are ready to design illustrations of printable products and their digital marketing mockups to sell on your online favorite platform. However, the process of making money is entirely up to you. This is not a clickbait video filled with extravagant revenue claims just to get views. Instead, it was created to guide you to craft and creative marketing assets for your online selling journey. I hope you find it useful. Stay with love and goodbye.